Today, I will show you how to create a split screen effect and apply a slice transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Select the 3 clips and drag the crop effect from the effects panel onto each clip. Top clip. Go to the Effect Controls panel and change the bottom value to 66%. Middle clip. Change the top and bottom values to 33%. Bottom clip. Change the top value to 66%. First clip. Move the clip to the starting point. Enable keyframing by clicking the stopwatch icon next to position. Move ahead 5 frames and reset the position. Apply the same steps for the second and third clips. That's it. You've successfully created a split screen effect with a slice transition.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more tutorials.